Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about the list data structure. List. So far we have discussed about the string data structure and string functions and function programs related to the string. Okay, but here we are going to discuss about the list data structure. Okay, this is also one of the Python data structure. Okay friends, let's see the details about the list data structure. Okay, let's move on to the video. Okay, then the first one is list is the collection of elements which is enclosed by brackets. Okay, and the string is a collection of characters, but list is a collection of elements or items within the bracket. I am creating the list lst equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, I am creating the list and I am going to print the list. Okay, then this is the way of creating a list. The set of elements, these are all the elements or items. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, these are all the elements, otherwise items. Okay, elements or items which is enclosed by the square brackets. By using this way we can create the list elements. The next one is list elements or items can be either homogeneous or heterogeneous. Okay, it's nothing but homogeneous means the list elements are in the same data type. If the list contains only integer number of data, that is a homogeneous list. The elements, if the list contains multiple data types, string, integer and character elements inside the list, that is called as the heterogeneous list. Okay, let's see the example. I am creating the list 1 as okay. In this list all the elements are in the integer data type only, so this list is called homogeneous list. Then and I am creating the one more list 2 is equal to 5, 9.0, true, then Python okay. But in this list contains integer, 9.0 float number and true boolean number, then a Python string value, then the complex value, complex data type also. So this list is called as the heterogeneous list. Okay, it's the combination of all the data types. But the homogeneous list contains only the combination of all the elements present in the list should be in the same data type. But the heterogeneous is not like that. It's the combination of all the data structures. The next one is each element has its unique index number. I am creating a list 20, 69, true 8.0 Django. Okay, I'm creating the list like this, and the point is each element has its unique index number. Each and every character has its own index number. For this 20 has index number 0. Usually the index number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are all the list elements index number. And the next one is insertion order of elements are preserved in the list. It's nothing but I have created the list 1 and the list 2 and just want to print the list 1 again. So lst1, otherwise we can take print. Okay, okay, see, the list elements has come without any changes, without changing the order. Okay, 87 is the 0th position, 90 is the first position, 54 is the second position. This is the order preserved. This order is preserved in the list. What are the orders I have given in the list 1? That will display it as it is here. Okay, without any modification. The order of values will not be changed. The order is fixed. This is the meaning for that. The order is fixed in the list. So the order of elements are preserved in the list. Insertion order of elements in the preserved in the list. Once we are given the order will not be changed. Its order is preserved. And then the list supports both forward and backward index numbers. We have seen this in the list string also. The same concept is coming here. The forward and backward index number. Forward index numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the backward index number is -1, -2, -3, +1, -4, -5. These are the index numbers, forward index numbers and backward index numbers. And forward index number starts from 0, and backward index number starts from -1. Then the next point is the list allows the duplicate elements also. Okay. Example, I am creating the list 3. 30, 57, 60. Again I am giving 30, 57, 90, 67. Okay. See, this list 30 is coming for 2 times, and the 57 has come for 2 times. Okay, 2 times the 30 is repeated and the 57 is 2 times repeated. So the list allows the duplicate elements. I just want to print the list 3. See, after printing the result list, the order is not changed. Without any modification, it will print the result as it is. So the list allows the duplicate elements also, but the tuple, it will not allow the duplicate elements. So this is the main difference between tuple and list. That concept we will discuss in the upcoming videos, but that is the important one. And then list supports both indexing and slicing. Okay, we have seen the string indexing and slicing on the on our previous video. The same operations or same thing will be repeated here, and this is a very big concept, so we will discuss in the another one video. And the list supports packing and unpacking also. We will discuss in the another one video this concept. And then the list supports both concatenation and multiplication. Concatenation is nothing but adding the list. Okay. List 5 equal to list 1 plus list 2. List 5. See, to perform an concatenation, we should use the plus operator. To concatenation is nothing but adding the list. To perform the addition between the two lists, we should use the plus operator. So 87, 90, 54, all the two list elements has come. Okay, without any changes, all the list elements has come. Okay, then the multiplication. How do we perform the multiplication? List 6 equal to list 1 star. Okay, then list 1 is nothing but list multiplication is nothing but it repeats the list elements for the 2 times. I'm taking the value I'm taking the 2 here, I'm taking the number 2 here, so it will repeat the list elements 2 times. Let's see the output. See, list 1 elements are 87, 90 and 54, but the elements has repeated twice. 2 times all the elements has come. The next one is list is a mutable object, also a dynamic object. I am creating the list equal to ten, 20, 30. Okay. Then I want to find out the location of the list. LST. So this is the location of our list. Then I am going to add the one more element inside the list by using the append of function. This function is used to add the new element into the existing list. I'm going to print the LST. So the 50 has added inside the list. Now I want to display the ID location of the list, ID of LST. without any modification, the id location has come. Okay, the same id location, the id location is same, the previous one and the new one both are same. After adding the element inside the list also, the id location doesn't change anything, both id locations are same. So if we add any new thing or new element inside the list, the same address will come. So the list is a mutable object, but in the string is the immutable object. After adding an element inside the string allocation has changed. So this is the main difference between string and list. So list is an mutable object, string is an immutable object. This is the main thing, main important point in string and Python data structures. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to all your friends, those who are looking for Python jobs. Okay friends, thank you.